And finally, beautiful Shocks TL sunset colorway. Way too big for me, size 12, but $69.99. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. May kako may naman iras and found Ras Kahala. Again, not the best time to come in. It's mid-afternoon on a Saturday, but let's check it out. Okay, starting in the women's section, size 7, some sort of special edition Air Force One, all petals united, as it says on the insole. $69.99, which is a little steep for a pair of forces, but the StockX numbers look really good. And is this a Court Vision? Oh yeah, this is a Court Vision. Thought it was a pair of ones. $49.99, size 7. Good materials though. And then ladies large sizes. Not much else going on. It's a pair of Clarks for $19.99, though, size 11. And kind of just draw attention to these Skechers. The Crocs ripoff continues right down to like the giblets and stuff. How much are these? $14.99. That's not too bad though. And then ladies 9, pair of Run D5s. I've only ever seen these in the really small lady sizes or kid sizes, so it's cool to see it in a relatively bigger size. $39.99. Nothing much today, although there are a few things. I've seen this Vomero 17 in smaller lady sizes, but this is a men's 12, $72.99. Izod shoes, that's interesting. Wants to beep at me. And $29.99, size 12. It's a Nike Pegasus Golf. Air Pegasus 89. Interesting. $29.99. And then new colorway of the Air Max. What you call Air Max New Axis. 11.5. $74.99 though. Not long ago, these things were like $40. Yeesh. Okay, and it's always good to check before you leave to do a double take. I don't think these small KD 17 N7s were here last time. These are size 5. Same price though, $59.99. Well, that's about it. Not really much going on. How you like these Air Kukinis though? Anyway, catch you guys on the next store. Mahalo. Aloha mai kako, me velina mai iras and found I about Ras Kahala. Got a burger sauce that I'm hoping to find at Whole Foods today, but before that, let's check it out. Okay, and there's actually stuff here at Kahala today. Starting the small men's section. Those purple green SL72s we've seen at Waikiki are also here. Same price, $39.99. Looks like clearance season is swept through as well. Got some Isoflies, size 5, $16.99. Okay, and some Court Visions, $24.99 in size 7.5. And then over here is a new colorway of the SL72. Is it the same price? Yup. $39.99. This one is size 8. Some more Court Shot Elevates. These are a couple dollars cheaper, $22.99. Size meh. What about this one? Size 8.5. And then a couple of these Nike comfy rides. What is these? These are $54.99 is what they are. Size 8. It's a random pair of white and black Jordan 1 mids. Size 8. $69.99. That's nice. Oh, this is cool. Size 9. That's my size. One of these EVA 01 SL72s, but learned my lesson about violently purple shoes. And new colorway of the Nike Free Run Golf, size 9, $29.99. Standard little price. Flip over to the next aisle. Love to see it. Size 10, pair of Uptowns, $70 though. think a few episodes back we found a size 9.5 for like $45. So, I mean, there's that to think about, but you know, better than paying like 115 bucks for a retail pair of those. Okay, and these Nike tennis shoes, size 10, on clearance for $30.99. Nice. Okay, interesting find over here. Kobe Crazy 1, $44.99, size 11. Oh, what are these? Adizero Select 2.0, $39.99. Is this new? Which one is the new one? Huh. Anyway. Some more Nike Free Run Golfs, size 11. Some more Comfy Rides, also size 11. Is these Hirachis? No, these are Fila's. Psych. And then size 11. Another crazy colorway of this SL72. Nice. And then a whole mess of Run 60s on clearance for $27.99. Oh, just two of them, never mind. Size 12 and size 11. And then one last thing, size 12. Okay, I don't think these are HBCUs, but they are Crazy One lows. We've seen a bunch of the mids last year. Huh, I wonder if we're gonna see more of these. Well, that ended pretty quickly. Nothing in the kids section, nothing really new in the ladies section either, except it's a nice pair of Forces here, size 9, $59.99, better than $69.99 over on the men's side. One last thing, I came back to these Uptowns. I thought they were size 10 men's. Double check the tag, they're ladies, so they fit me. They're also B grades. I don't know. Anyway, it's not shoe buying season. Also, this shelf has been empty since the last time I was here, and it looks like it's just started to accumulate more shoes. Got some ladies Court Visions, Court Mids for $29.99. And then these little Jordan ones have been here for a minute. $16.99. Looks like it's been reduced further than what it was. Okay, and that's the end of that. Time to go to Bezos World to see if there's any burger sauce, some nice cheese. Okay, everyone, catch you on the next one. Mahalo. Well, I just want Whole Foods to stop playing with me. Oh my God, ko me vilina mai Ross and found I avow Ross Kahala. 3 of 3. 3 Kahala trips, 3 fines or lacks thereof. Let's go see. Okay, and start in small men's section today. I forget what it looks like. Did they put a new clearance tag on this? I'm not sure. This ACG is $28.99 though now. And then these Air Max Pulse are still here, $29.99 on clearance, 6.5. But then put another one here. I didn't even get rid of the first one, also 6.5. And then down here, these KDs, what size are these? 10. One on clearance, $48.99. Yeah, more clearance finds, $41, size 7. These GT Hustle 2s. Whoops. And these Jordan 1s, let's see. Size 7, $19, sheesh. Granted, they're not like Jordan Retros or anything. Ah, shucks, these aren't on clearance yet. I was hoping. And then, oh, what is this? Size 12. It's a weird sole Nike, $56.99. What's it doing all the way in size 8? I don't know. And $20.99, size 8.5. But this is a ladies pair. This has been sitting here for a minute. Air Max 1. And then there's, so last time we were at Kahala, I had a pair of these crazy ones, $44.99. What size? Size 8.5. So there's one here in the men's 8 to 9 aisle, but boy, there's a lot of them. We'll see those though. Also, check this out. It's another Jordan Retro ripoff by Starter. This time they're ripping off the Black Cat 4s or something. And then flipping around to the other side, new colorway of the GT Hustle 2, size 9.5, $59.99. I like this. It's a lightweight shoe. Looks really comfy. And then here's pair number 2 of these crazy ones. This is a size 9.5. And then some interesting looking Hey Dudes over here. Not that I'm really a Hey Dude person, but... And also size 10. Not sure if these Witnesses were here before. Feels like it might be new, but you know, can never really be too sure. Size 10.5, some Blazer mids. Yet another pair of the crazy ones in 9.5. And then I think this is the original pair of crazy ones that I saw last time. And there's 1, 2, what size? Size 11. And what size? Size 10.5. So 3 more pairs of crazy ones. Looks like a new pair of the Nike whatever. It's the comfy ride, whatever that is. $54.99, size 11. And then the former grade school special, we're seeing these in adult sizes now for $69.99, size 11. Jordan 1 mids. Ooh, Hoka Bondi 8's on clearance. Size 11.5, $69.99. Okay. These all on clearance? Oh yeah. Size 11. This one too? Yep, size 14. That's kind of big though. And there's one more comfy ride in the new colorway, $54.99, size 13. Size 11.5 wide Hoka Bondi 8 on clearance. And finally, beautiful Shox TL sunset colorway. Way too big for me, size 12, but $69.99. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh boy, I've been in and out this store frequently enough that I'm not sure what I have and haven't covered. Anyway, some Adidas courts, women's size 10, $22.99. By the way, there was nothing in the kids section, and there's not much in the ladies section. Size 9.5, $59.99. That's not bad. And these modified Air Force Ones. And then it's mostly just clearance stuff. And down here, a pair of these UCLA Cortezes, size 8.5 for $31.99. Oh, some Cloud Foams. Nice. $32.99. Size 8.5. A Run Falcon, whoops. $29.99. Size, I don't know. I'm not gonna try and mess with it. Okay, and I came around back to the men's section to grab some stills, and looks like I missed some stuff. Got a couple pairs of these Jordan not Jordan, just regular Nike boots. These are size 7, $69.99. And then what size is this one? 7.5. Both of them for $69.99. Nice. And then got this on an end cap. It's not a new colorway, but a new size. You can see the tag from whatever store it came from. They were selling it for $160, and now it's $69. The DNs were $80, $84 for a minute, so it's nice to see them coming down. This is actually kind of in my size, but no thank you. Wow, this particular episode took an entire week to get done, but it's done. Yeah, clearance season continues. Really stoked to see those Bondis on there though. $69.99. That might be as cheap as they're gonna get for a minute for a Bondi 8. Anyway, thank you for rocking with me on this episode. Please let me know what was your favorite find throughout these 3 hunts. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, share, do things. Appreciate it, guys. Mahalo. Catch you on the next episode.